Hi guys, hi beautiful people, this is Akelza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I managed to achieve this beautiful natural look hairstyle. It's very easy guys, it won't even take your time. Guys, can you see my hair? It's a mess. Remember I told you my hair is falling. I don't know what happened. I don't know, maybe it's winter. I don't know what I used, what went wrong. I don't know, but anyway I tried my best to do something for you. So as you can see at the back, my hair is even shorter, but anyway at the back I was doing benny&betty. I did benny&betty. Guys, don't mind the mess, don't mind my lines are not straight. Anyway, I tried my best guys because I was struggling guys, but anyway I did it. So I did benny&betty, the cross one. You cross the one from the left to the right, the one from the right to the left. Don't mind my voice guys, I've got flu. So yeah, that's what I did. So if you continue watching my video, you see what I did and what I was trying to do. So all I needed is I needed Elon, I needed the false locks. So I used the false locks to style my contour. Guys, you see as you continue watching my video. It wasn't easy guys. I don't know if that mirror saw my hands on my eyes. It wasn't easy. I was struggling here at the back. It wasn't easy, but anything for you guys. Anything for you guys. I tried my best. As you can see, my hair is short at the back. It's even shorter. Guys, this hair is stressing me out. Anyway, let's get to the video. So what I did and what I used, I didn't even use any styling gel, but for you guys I recommend use styling gel so that your hairstyle will last you for long and it will look nicer and neat. As for me, I didn't use styling gel. I used that holding gel, the one with the blue container, the one that I usually use when I'm doing my hair or when I'm plating my customers. So that's the one that I use just to lay my hair. And then you see guys how the video is going. So to all my returning subscribers guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys for showing your girls some love. I really appreciate your support guys. Thank you very much. For those who are new, it is your first time in this channel, it is your first time to see me, I welcome you to the family. Feel free, feel at home. I hope you like, I hope you enjoy my videos guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please guys kindly subscribe. I really appreciate. So as you can see here, those are my first locks. I mixed different colors. It was blue, no guys, it was black, blonde, and the one with the maroon tint down. So I mixed those colors. But anyway, let's just get to the video guys and see what I was trying to do. I was just playing around with my hair and then I came up with something nice at the end. So please continue watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Love you. That's my final look, guys. As you can see, how do you rate this hairstyle, guys? Just let me know in the comments section. What do you think? What do you say?